My operating system is called Next OS, spelled NXT, and the idea behind my design for this operating system was to create a simple yet efficient interface for people who don't need to use their devices to their full capacity. I wanted to keep it simple, and um, it is really made for people who go onto their devices, um, do the tasks that they need to get done, and then close the computer. So I decided, so it's pretty simple. It's a pretty simple design. Um, so this is my loading screen, and then this is the login screen. So you have your profiles, and then you can choose whichever profile is yours, and put your password in and log in. And then this would be the home screen. Up in the right hand corner, you have your Wi-Fi, signal, your battery life, and then the time and the date. And then down here in the right hand bottom corner, we have a trash can to trash files that aren't needed. Um, and then down here in the center, we have a most frequently used apps section. So these would be the 5 apps that you use the most. And this would obviously depend on each person what apps would be here. And if we expand this section, it'll bring us to a larger section of frequently used apps. And again, this would be customizable for each individual. And then if you go to all, it'll take us to all the apps that are downloaded. But we're going to go back to the home screen, and then we're going to open up our Notes app. So this would be the Notes app on Next OS on a desktop. On the right hand, we have a list of the different notes that we have. You can add a note or you can trash one. And then we have a formatting section. You can create lists, and then you can also draw on your note if you need to. And then this is our transition between 2 different apps screen. So we have our Google Chrome open and our Notes app open, and then we can just close out of both. And this is my OS design for a desktop.